You alone deserve all the glory, Lord. Hi guys, it's your girl Eveee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So I made this delicious grilled chicken with some vegetable sauce for the family and they loved it. So I want to share the recipe with you, family. So let's go. So we have our chicken here. So we are making our marinade, okay? So this is our mise en place, that's our blended garlic, ginger, onion. So I add my all-purpose seasoning, some salt to taste, some chicken seasoning, some black pepper, and please note I'll be listing all the ingredients in the description box so you check it out, okay? So I added some paprika, some ketchup, some chicken seasoning, and then I added some butter, okay? Yes. So this was a delicious one. They really loved it. I wanted something different, something quick. So we just grilled some chicken thigh and it was absolutely great. So over here, I marinate my chicken and then I refrigerate it for like about 3 to 4 hours before grilling it into the oven. So massage your chicken thigh with the marinade. Be a good massage to the chicken, okay? My chicken no enfeely massage. So what you see? Yes, I know me baby marinade no everywhere. So what the American I say? Yes. So I have preheated my oven. So now straight into the oven and then we are going to grill this for about 30 to 40 minutes. And just look at that. Just look at the beautiful juice our chicken has released. Yes. And voila! We are done. So you can pair it with anything you want: bread, chips, yam chips, rice, kenke, banku. But we are enjoying ours with some vegetable sauce here and some white rice, okay? I hope you like this video. If you like, just give your girl some thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, thank you and welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified, okay? So make this for the people, the family this Christmas, and they are going to love it, okay? Thank you so much for the massive support. God bless you, God bless you, God bless you. Let's enjoy some grilled chicken, okay? I love you guys. So see you. Bye-bye. Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year. Mwah.